Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your crypto wallet. First, understand the different types of wallets available, such as software or hardware options. Next, identify the decentralized applications or platforms you intend to use. Finally, always ensure your chosen wallet software is fully updated for optimal performance and security. This preparation ensures a smooth connection process. Now, let's walk through the connection steps. Begin by visiting the decentralized application or platform where you want to connect. Look for a prominent Connect Wallet button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will present a list of supported wallets. Simply choose yours to proceed with the connection. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like keeping your digital assets secure, a fresh environment is key. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once you've selected your wallet, a prompt will appear. Carefully review the connection request details to understand what permissions you are granting. Then, authorize the connection directly within your wallet's interface. For security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from the D app or platform once you have finished your transactions or activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.